Building a schedule in Easy Worship 7 is as easy as ever with the ability to drag and drop items from the resource area to your schedule area. The schedule is a playlist that's comprised of all the items you'll use during a service. When you launch Easy Worship, it will open to a blank schedule in the top left corner of the screen. Or if you have a schedule opened and want to start a new schedule, click the New button on the toolbar and select New Schedule. So we'll start building a schedule by adding some songs. You can search for songs by title. Easy Worship will autocomplete the closest match alphabetically while you type. When you find the song you want, simply drag and drop it to the schedule area. Or you can select a song and click the plus sign on the right to add it to the schedule. Also, if the live output is turned off, you're in schedule building mode, and you can just double-click the song to add it to the schedule. Change the search option to a contextual search by clicking on the search icon and type in a word or phrase. There's also a drop-down for a more refined search. When you find the song you want, simply drag and drop it to your schedule area. You can also select multiple songs using the Control or Shift keys and add the selected songs to the schedule all at once. Next, we'll add scriptures. From the Scriptures tab, you can select the translation you want on the left. Easy Worship auto-completes the book name as you type it in the search box. So start typing a book name until it fills in, and then use the space bar to advance to the chapter, and type in the chapter. Then use the space bar again to advance to the verse number, and type in the verse. Use the same methods as songs to add the scriptures to the schedule. The easiest is just a drag and drop. Change the search option to search contextually for a keyword or phrase. Click on the Media tab, and from the left side of the resource area, you can select videos, images, feeds, DVD, or audio, and drag and drop any of these resources to your schedule. You can also easily change the background of songs, scriptures, or Easy Worship presentations from the Media tab by dragging and dropping a video, image, or feed on top of the item in the schedule. If a different background is desired for each slide, expand the item in the schedule by clicking the arrow to the left of it and drag and drop different videos, images, or feeds to each slide. Easily attach an audio file to a song, scripture, or Easy Worship presentation by dragging and dropping it onto the item in the schedule from the Audio tab. Click on the Presentations tab. Any presentation you've created in Easy Worship, like looping announcements or sermon slides, or any PowerPoint presentations you've added here can be dragged and dropped into the schedule. Also, from the Themes tab, you can drag and drop song themes onto songs in the schedule, scripture themes to scriptures in the schedule, and presentation themes to Easy Worship presentations in the schedule. The schedule is very versatile. Rearrange the order of the schedule by dragging and dropping. And when expanding a song, scripture, or Easy Worship presentation, you can rearrange your slides in any order you want. As with each window in Easy Worship, you can adjust the size of the schedule window and resize the thumbnails from the Resize menu in the upper right corner. There's also a settings gear in the top right corner with options available pertaining to the schedule. Right-clicking on any item in the schedule will give you that same pop-out menu. There's one option you might want to look at before building a schedule for the first time. Click the gear icon and look for Auto Expand Items when dragging. If that's checked, your schedule items will auto-expand while dragging items to the schedule, when you hover over an item too long before releasing your mouse button. As a tip, I would recommend unchecking this when dragging and dropping items in the schedule. To save the schedule, click on the File menu, then Save Schedule, or Save Schedule As, or just click the Save button on the toolbar. Choose the location you want to save the schedule file and give it a name. If you're transferring this schedule to use on a different computer, you'll want to keep the box checked at the bottom to pack files in Schedule, so everything is sure to work. If you're just going to use this schedule on the same computer, you can uncheck this box since all the files are on this computer and it'll save your hard drive space. Then click Save. When you're ready to run the schedule, you can open it by clicking File, Open Schedule, select your schedule, and click Open. Or you can click the Open button on the toolbar and select it from the recent list. Select the first item in your schedule and click Go Live. You're now ready to build a schedule on your own. Click the New button on the toolbar and select New Schedule to start building. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Easy Worship.